Hey there, sunshine. So here in my hands, I have my August IPSY glam bag. So what's kind of weird is I always get, okay, so here's how packages arrive at my door. I get IPSY glam bag plus, I get Boxycharm, and then like a week or two later, I get my IPSY bag. But IPSY decided to send out my regular IPSY bag before they sent out my glam bag plus, which I'm totally okay with, but I'm very excited to see what's inside of this. I honestly have been recently kind of really, ooh, the bag feels so fun. But I have really recently been super happy with IPSY. Oh, no wonder why that felt fun. Look at this pretty bag. Okay, so I've been really happy with IPSY recently. I can't wait to see what is inside of this bag. I'm very, very excited. Also, totally loving this bag right here. This is gorgeous for fall. I really want to, can any of you guys please recommend to me an eyeshadow palette that's like green, but like warm tone greens, because I want to play with some green. Okay, so IPSY's $10 a month, and you get like 4 to 5 samples. That's it. That's really all you need to know. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is this nail polish for the love of color. I love that IPSY sends out nail polishes. It's so nice. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what this color is. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Yes. This is like a really pretty summer color. And I basically, in my mind, I've canceled summer. I'm like, summer, you're done. I'm breaking up with you. I'm ready for fall to move into my life. So even though it's like 85 degrees outside, I'm like, fall. So this is really pretty. This is a really pretty color. Super cute for like my toes, which I desperately need to paint, and I just haven't found the time for it. Okay, let's see what else is in here. This is State Do Me Baked Highlight Powder. Yes, IPSY, thank you for being consistent in the highlighters that you send out, because you are the only subscription box that I have that's like, yes, you need more highlighters in my life, and that is the kind of positivity that I want to encourage. So this is from Do Me, and this is in shade Lit. So I'm going to try and open this up, but I have little weak fingers. So let's, oh, I got it open, and this is so pretty. That was a really delayed reaction. Like, I got it open like 10 minutes later. Oh my God, I got it open. So let's rub that all over our bodies. Ooh, yes, I love me a champagne highlighter. Yes. Oh my God, let me drip in this. Like, ooh, yes, please. Okay. Okay. Can I tell you guys a secret that I haven't told anybody? I recently, except for today, of course, I have been putting a highlighter in my hair. So I will literally just take some highlighter and I will just put it at my roots, and it works a lot better when my hair is like wet because it actually sticks better. But I will take and I will put highlighter in my hair just like that, and then I'll like put in an illuminating setting spray. And it actually works a lot better with like looser powders, but yeah, that's just the fun little like quirk I've been doing recently. I should probably do a tutorial on that, but like I've been putting gold highlighter in my hair like whenever I go out, and I'm like, oh my God, this is so fun and so cute, and I really want to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, we have more things. Okay, it's like 3 things, and they're all kind of the same size. So this is a oh, I love a Desse. This is the All Day Lip Cream in Thames Street. I love the lip gloss that IPSY sent me out from Desse. Ooh, this is like super sleek lip packaging. Oh yes. Okay. Ooh, yes. I love like this color. Honestly, it's really pretty and kind of very similar to my natural lip color. Yes, that's really pretty. Okay. A lipstick. Way better than my Boxycharm for August. That was a mess. That was not a good box. Okay. Now I'm pulling out this, ooh, IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Gel Lotion. Oil-free for all skin types. Hydra plumping, skin transforming, weightless moisturizer. Yes, okay. So this is like, honestly, we have 3 full-size products right here, and then this little sample. I'm not mad at that at all. Sephora Play would probably try to send that out and be like, yes, this is an $85 value. And I'd be like, Sephora, you out of your mind? And then the last thing here is this Balm B Honey Moisture Cleansing Foam. Okay. So another little sample size. So we got 2 sample size, and it looks like 3 full-size products. I wish there was a little like card to tell you the value of everything in here, but that is everything that I received. So I received this nail polish, this highlighter, this IT Cosmetics, which is a big name brand that I recognize, and probably most of you would too. This is a moisturizer, this is a face cleanser, and then I got this lipstick from Odessa. So I feel like I got 2 skincare, a nail, and 2 beauty products. So I do feel like this is a really well-rounded box. I like that there were brands in here that I didn't recognize, and there were brands in here that I did recognize. I love the colors of everything. Like, everything in here is like really, really pretty, and I feel like it was actually like suited for my beauty profile. That is everything that I received in my IPSY glam bag for August. What did you guys think of this? Do you feel like Boxycharm for August was better, or do you feel like August IPSY was better? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.